I've just woke up. Now it's 6 a.m. First of all, I did brush as usual and I'm using Colgate toothbrush and Colgate toothpaste and I have some confusion about it. Is it Israeli or American? Let me know in the comments if you know. After doing toothpaste, I did exercise or workout and also kindly ignore my clothes because it's not suitable for workout. I know. After workout, I set up my working table for reading book. Then I go for taking some water. So first of all, what's I'm reading? I'm reading Atomic Habit, and finally, I'm on the last chapter of this book, which is called Conclusion. And I do journaling as well. Then I started reading book for 30 minutes. After everything done, I've done on my PC, I started working on my first blog. After 40 minutes, I feel I'm losing my focus. Then I stopped working. Then I did some breakfast at 12 pm. I took shower. Now it's time to do some writing. Then I set up again my table for writing some point for my blog. So basically here's the end of my productive vlog, not the end of the day. After that, I usually go to football at evening. I've completed my first blog post and I've written total 1616 words and 10,124 characters. Or if you wanted to read my blog, I've given the link in the description. Thanks for watching.